Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into the world of system design interviews, especially for those aiming for top tech companies. These interviews can seem daunting, I get it. You're faced with complex problems, needing to think on your feet and design scalable, robust systems. But trust me, it's a challenge you can conquer with the right preparation. This isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about building a framework for problem solving, a mental toolkit that you can apply to any system design challenge. It's about understanding the core principles, the design patterns, and the trade-offs involved in building real-world systems that millions, even billions of users will rely on. In this video, we'll break down a clear path to mastering system design interviews. We'll cover essential tips, strategies, and resources that I've found invaluable in my own journey. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, this guide will equip you with the confidence and knowledge to ace those interviews and land your dream tech job. So, let's get started. Let's talk about mock interviews. They're your secret weapon. Why? Because they provide the closest experience to the real deal. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't just show up on race day without putting in the miles, right? Same goes for system design interviews. Mock interviews give you the chance to practice your problem-solving skills, articulate your design choices, and handle tough questions from an interviewer. It's about getting comfortable with the format, the time constraints, and the pressure. Find a mentor, a friend, or a colleague who can act as your interviewer. Ideally, someone with experience in system design. Present your solutions, explain your reasoning, and be open to their feedback. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and improve. Each mock interview is a learning opportunity. Pay attention to the areas where you excel and identify the areas where you need to focus. Maybe you nailed the high-level design, but struggled with the database choices. Or perhaps you aced the technical details, but need to work on your communication. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident and prepared you'll be when you walk into that real interview room. You'll have the experience, the clarity, and the ability to showcase your skills effectively. The tech world is a fast-moving train, and you've got to keep pace. New technologies, frameworks, and methodologies are constantly emerging. What's considered cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. So, how do you stay ahead? First, cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Read industry blogs, articles, and research papers. Subscribe to tech newsletters and follow influential figures in the field. Attend conferences and workshops whenever possible. This constant exposure will keep your knowledge fresh and relevant. Explore new tools and technologies. Experiment with different programming languages, frameworks, and cloud platforms. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of various technologies will broaden your design toolkit. Pay attention to emerging trends. Areas like machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and serverless computing are rapidly evolving. Familiarize yourself with these concepts and their potential impact on system design. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to tackle diverse system design challenges. You'll have a wider range of options to consider, and you'll be able to make more informed design decisions. Staying updated isn't just about keeping up with the latest buzzwords. It's about understanding the underlying principles, the trade-offs involved, and the potential impact of these technologies on real-world systems. Think about the systems you use every day: Facebook, Google, Netflix, Amazon. These are complex, large-scale systems handling massive amounts of data and user traffic. They've been designed and refined by some of the brightest minds in the industry. So, why not learn from the best? Study how these systems are designed. Read articles, blog posts, and research papers that delve into the architecture of these systems. Look for technical talks or presentations given by engineers who worked on these projects. Pay attention to the design choices, the trade-offs, and the lessons learned. Why did they choose a particular database? How did they handle scalability and fault tolerance? What were the key challenges they faced, and how did they overcome them? Books written by experienced engineers and architects are goldmines of information. They provide in-depth insights into the design principles, patterns, and best practices used in building real-world systems. Don't be afraid to dig into the technical details. Understand the different components, their interactions, and how they contribute to the overall system performance. The deeper your understanding, the better you'll be able to apply these concepts to your own designs. Remember, learning from real-world systems isn't about copying their exact solutions. It's about understanding the thought process, the design principles, and the considerations that go into building robust and scalable systems. So there you have it. We've covered some key strategies to help you crack the code of system design interviews. Remember, this isn't about memorizing answers. It's about developing a problem-solving mindset, a deep understanding of design principles, and the ability to articulate your thoughts clearly and effectively. Embrace the challenge. Don't be intimidated by the complexity of system design. Treat it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and push your boundaries. The more you engage with these concepts, the more confident you'll become. And finally, believe in yourself. You have the potential to excel in this field. With dedication, preparation, and a passion for technology, you can conquer any system design interview and land your dream job in the exciting world of tech. Keep learning, keep building, and keep pushing forward.